back. Well, there is some sell-off from the top. So Nifty is up around 144 points, up 0.8%. So yes, there's some selling that's taking place, and Bank Nifty is the one which is causing that. So that index is up around 0.15% right now. Whether that will continue or not, let's get a technical check on the markets. Mitessh Thakkar of Earning Waves is joining us now. Mitessh, good afternoon. Thank you so much for joining us. Well, this little bit of pressure that we are seeing from the top, this sell-off that has come just a few minutes back, is that an indication of some more selling, or do you think index will be at these current levels?
Yeah. So my understanding is that 17,750, 800 was a zone where some profit booking was expected. We actually highlighted that zone in the morning because there was a gap. When we were declining on the day of 22nd of Feb. We had gap down, and this gap was from the low on 21st was 17,800, and the high the next day was 17,772. So there's a gap over here. It is also a retracement zone, and there's some moving averages around the 17,820 mark. So this entire 50-60 point band is filled with multiple supply points. Given the fact that we have had a rally on Friday and we have had a good rally today afternoon as well, I think some profit booking was expected. We have done that, but I think eventually maybe 2-3 days of consolidation might take place. But I think eventually there's a good chance that now we are looking at getting past this zone, and once that happens, then 18,000, 18,150 area could be targeted.
You said how much lower do we go? 17,800 was resistance. We've started trending down. Where do you think we will reverse before we head back up to 18,000?
See, my understanding is that the first target, once we start getting past 17,820, should be 17,970 to about 18,000, and then 18,150 on the upside. So the overall setup is positive, but I think after 2 days of rally, we might actually see about two odd days of consolidation as well. And that could take some time, and I think in that use intraday dips to buy into the markets. Even on the stock side, I think wait for that dip to happen and then create long position. And unless until we break 17,600, I think I'll maintain a very positive view on the index.
Okay. All right. Mitessh, thank you so much for joining us and taking us through those technical picks and technical outlook on the index as well. But let's move on and talk about our segment, Mid-Cap Movers. We have Vivek with us, as always, to take us through the mid-caps that are moving around in trade. Vivek.
Well, good afternoon. It's a session where, again, you're actually seeing quite a bit of outperformance as far as the broader end of the markets are concerned, especially the small cap names continue their rally from recent lows. Our first stock on our list is Kiri Industries. Now, this particular stock, after the favorable court verdict, has moved up almost 30% in the last 3 to 4 trading sessions. The other stock that's doing very well today is Aptus Value Housing. In line with the theme where we are actually seeing power utility stocks outperform, JSW Energy today up almost 10% on good volumes as well, and Veranda Learning Solutions too up today, up almost 8% in the session. Some of the stocks that are moving higher on very strong volumes are some names from the chemical as well as the fertilizer pack. India Glycols today, after a while, has moved up almost 16%. Mangalore Chem and Fert, after a very long stretch of underperformance today, up almost 14%. Ingersoll Rand up on very strong volumes today, as well as Sunflag Iron and Steel up in the session on very good volumes. On the other hand, some of the stocks that are seeing a bit of profit booking, Macrotech, after the 3 to 4 days of outperformance that the stocks are today, down almost 3%. Indigo Paints continues its down move. Dreamfolks as well as Data Patterns today seeing quite a bit of profit booking on strong volumes.